Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Traveling Fluency. Here's Nizar again. It's in California. This year it's July, it's very hot. Here is 105 Fahrenheit. It's hot as hell. And we are going to camp this year with my friend Dana. For the second time, last year we camped at Huntington Lake near Fresno. And this time we are driving 240 miles to the north of San Francisco. The park's name is Humboldt Redwoods State Park and the campground's name is Albee Creek Campground. We are going for 4 nights and I'm so excited. It's gonna be a lot of fun and I hope you enjoy this video. Welcome to Humboldt Redwoods State Park. It's located along the Eel River in Northern California. Humboldt Redwoods State Park contains some of the world's most majestic ancient redwood groves. The park encompasses over 53,000 acres, including 17,000 acres of old-growth coast redwoods. In 1921, Save the Redwoods League dedicated the first memorial grove, Colonel Raynal C. Bowling Memorial Grove in what is known as Humboldt Redwoods State Park. Today, the park contains a diverse coast redwood ecosystem, which includes Rockefeller Forest, the largest remaining old-growth forest in the world, and the entire Bull Creek watershed. With more than 250 campsites, 100 miles of hiking, biking, and riding trails, and the scenic 32-mile avenue of the Giants, Humboldt Redwoods State Park offers something for everyone. Whatever you have, just a single day to visit or a week-long vacation to explore, a journey into the Redwood Forest is sure to be an awe-inspiring experience. The park is open year-round and recreational activities are available throughout the 4 seasons. So I came up with a series called Humboldt Redwoods State Park that has 3 episodes. Here's episode 1, which is called Camping at Albee Creek Campground. I hope you like it.
Albee Creek Campground is located 5 miles west of the Avenue of the Giants on Mattole Road in the western portion of Humboldt Redwoods State Park. Open mid-May through mid-October, this 40-site family campground adjoins Rockefeller Forest and offers beautiful scenery, wildlife, and an incredible night sky. Albee Creek is close to numerous hiking and mountain biking trails, and park visitors of all ages will enjoy wading in the creek on a warm summer day. Situated on an old homestead, the campground offers both second-growth redwood forest and open meadows. Campsites have shade, partial shade, or full sun in the open meadow. Albee Creek is very popular, and the campground is often full in the summer season. From the Avenue of the Giants, the campground is a 15-minute drive on narrow, winding Mattole Road, one of the world's most impressive redwood drives. Depending on how recently it's been paved, it can either be a smooth, easy drive or a continuous string of potholes. The location is ideal for hiking. It's just a 5-minute walk to some of the park's most spectacular old-growth redwoods and its best all-day hike, the Bull Creek Flats Loop. Another trail leads a few yards through the meadow to Bull Creek. First I put down my lumber, then my grain, then my brick, then my wool, so that I could purchase this here settlement. And I think I'll put it here. It's a nice sunny spot. And that makes...
How many points do you have now?
10.
Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Congratulations.
7170.
Oh my God.
Put these to the back because I need butter for these. A little bit of butter. So I'm making slicing the limes to squeeze over and toss inside the foil packet. Sorry you can't see it. There we go. So then I take them and all over that and drop them in.
Salt, pepper, and butter. So this is the first day's dinner. It's like baking shrimp, corn on the cob, small red potato, bell pepper, and onions. And I'm gonna grill them now. and some butter, salt and pepper.
Yes. Love it. Delicious pepper.
Amazing to have eggs in for breakfast. Done.
Yours. I'm like, oh, it's lit up. You're like, what's the candle? Of course it lights up. That's not what I'm talking about.
So this is the second day, the second night of our camping at Humboldt Redwoods State Park, and our dinner for tonight is kofta. I tried my best to make it Turkish and Syrian cuisine together. Kofta with like the salad of the kofta, and I'm gonna make rice. So here there is sumac, onion, parsley, salad, rice, kofta, wine, cucumber, yogurt salad, and chili paste.
Banana boats. For dessert, you cut open a banana. You don't cut it all the way through, and then you can fill it with any. I probably should have done this with dry hands. With any little marshmallows and snack stuff. I got these at Trader Joe's, which are Happy Trekking Trex Mix. They have almonds, chocolate, little chocolate chips, cashews, pistachios, dried cranberries, and cherries.
They have chocolate with them, right?
Yes, they have these little chocolate chip things here. So you just gotta get them in there as I'm doing this. And then over the top of them, you put, sometimes I cut like a regular sized marshmallow in half, and then I cut it and then I place it in here. But sometimes it's just easier to just use the mini marshmallows to put on top, and then you shove them in there so they get all melty and delicious. And
So you grill it or bake it?
what you do is, after you've got this all stuffed in here, then you wrap it up in here snugly.
Wow.
And tighten off the ends there. Keep it banana shaped so you know which end is up.
chocolate, the nuts, the almond with the banana. It tastes so good. And the marshmallow as well.
Proper temperatures.
So this is the fourth day, and for dinner also we are grilling beef. So the skewers will be here. Oh my god. This vegetables. Wow. So this is mixed grill with red cabbage salad with bulgur, hummus mutabbal, and wine. So this is the last day, almost the fifth day, and we are leaving now early morning after removing the tent and packing, driving back to San Francisco, 240 miles from Albee Creek Campground in Humboldt Redwoods State Park. I spent the best 4 days in my life, hiking, camping, grilling, eating, drinking, swimming. It's amazing, just connecting to the nature, and it's amazing. I highly recommend people camp. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Here is everything about episode 1, camping at Albee Creek Campground. I hope you enjoyed this video. Following episode 2, which is about hiking Big Trees Loop Trail. So the last shower after packing, and we are leaving the camp now after spending amazing 4 days.